Hi there, in today's video for crochet basics, I'm going to be showing you how to make the half double crochet. If you haven't watched my first video on how to make a single crochet, I recommend you go watch that one. That way you can get familiar with your yarn and hook. So first things first, to start doing any kind of stitch, you first need a slip knot. So wrap your yarn against your finger like this. Hold the loop over the other one, grab the second one, go over your finger, insert your hook, and there you have it. So to start making any type of stitch, you need chain first. So just yarn over and go through that loop on your hook. Yarn over, go through the loop. Yarn over and go through the loop, and so on. So for this small project, I'm gonna do 22. My square is gonna be 20 half double crochets, but I need 2 extra stitches. So I finished my 22 chains, and the reason I need the extra 2 is because I'm going to start doing my half double crochets on the 3rd chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go into that one. So yarn over, go into that chain, grab your yarn, go through. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and go through all of them. So yarn over, go through that chain, grab your yarn, go through, yarn over, and go through all 3 loops. So easy as that. Just keep doing your half double crochets until you reach the other side. So I reached the other side. That is how it's looking. That is a half double crochet. So if you want to continue doing a second round, you just chain 1, okay, not too tight, and turn around, yarn over, and just do your half double crochets on the previous round like normal. So you're going to go through those both loops that look like a V. Okay, you can continue this as long as you want if you have a specific project in mind or if you're just practicing. Here I have a small square I completed. That is how it's looking. Okay, that is a half double crochet. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make the half double crochet. I hope this inspires you. So if you want to keep learning, just keep watching my crochet basics playlist. See you on the next one.